Hey, what's up, guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. TikTok. That trend had been completed because TikTok app had been banned in India, and another alternatives for the TikTok app are there in the Play Store. You can check it out there because I've made dedicated videos on those apps. If you haven't watched those videos, go and check it out in my channel. You'll find those videos. But for a couple of days, there's a rumor that YouTube is going to bring their YouTube Shorts, an alternative for the TikTok app. And finally, they have launched the YouTube Shorts. If you are a beta user, you might be seeing it from so many days. And if you haven't updated your app yet, then first go into a Play Store and update your app to get the YouTube Shorts feature in your YouTube app. So watch the video till the end because I am going to show actually how these YouTube Shorts work and whether you should use these YouTube Shorts or you may see another alternative for the YouTube Shorts application. Okay guys, first you have to open your YouTube application, and in the YouTube application you'll find a new icon here called the plus icon. You have to tap on that icon. Then you will see two options. One is a live option, another one is a video option. You have to click on the video option. Then you can see on the top we have the option called create a short. Then you have to click on that create a short application and you have to allow your permissions. And you can see after we allowed your permissions, you can see the YouTube recording app has been opened. Here this is the interface of the YouTube Shorts application, not the application basically, but technically it is just the feature in the YouTube app. Then you can see we have some of the options here. Let's see those options. First one is the add music option. You have to just click on add music option and you can find so many music, or even you can search your own music and you can add. And if you don't want to add any music, just click on the cross button to get back. And here we also have the speed. You can adjust the speed like 1x, 2x, 3x and up to 0.3x, 0.5x. You can adjust the speed according to your video. And here we have the timer option. You can record up to 15 seconds video. You can even adjust the timer of the video by just dragging this icon from left to right. Like this you can even adjust the timer, and if you just click on start if you want to just record. But for now I am not recording the video. I'll show you how to record a video also. And here we have the record button. Let's record a video and see how is the video quality, and let's judge how actually YouTube Short works. Okay guys, you can see I've recorded the video. You have to just click on next button, and after I've clicked on that you can see you have to add any details if you want. See, I'm creating a title. For now I'm just adding this thumbs up emoji, and you can see if you can even adjust your public, unlisted, private, or you can even schedule the video. I'm just clipping public, and you can even select the audience, like it is made for kids or it is not made for kids, and you can even restrict the adult audience. And directly I can upload my YouTube story. You have to just click on upload button right here, and you can see it is uploading. 5%, 10%. It's taking around 9 seconds remaining, just 79%, and the processing is happening. You can see 0% processed, 95% processed, and to wait for a second so that it will be completed. You can see the video is ready to watch. You can even watch that video. It is public on my channel. Okay guys, that is about the YouTube Shorts application. I think you got a clear idea about the YouTube Shorts application. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to watch this video out there because it will be way more interesting. And that's it for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!